Yeah, good evening, everybody. So let's get started. Hope you are able to see my screen. Topic is number series today. So one of you please confirm in the chat box. Yeah, Aisha confirmed that you are able to see the screen. Varshini also confirmed. So you might be aware about number series. Number series can be formed with addition, with subtraction, with product, with division. Okay, so many other ways of forming number series. There is no specific formula to find the number series. Okay, number series also known as a numerical, okay, series. A number series is also known as a numerical series or sequence, a set of numbers arranged in a specific order following a particular pattern or rule. Following a particular pattern or rule. The pattern can be based on any mathematical relationship. And please understand there is no specific formula by which a series is formed. It can form, okay, by an addition, subtraction, multiplication, product, square roots, cube roots, okay, anything. So let's go forward, and today we will try to get as many as possible the formation of number series. So next time wherever you see number series questions, this should help you to solve the questions. Okay, so let's get started then. So try to give me the answer. The series is like this: 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, and what comes next? Yeah, Aisha Sultana is the first one to respond. All others also you can respond in the chat box. Yeah, Ritika Reddy, Praneeth, Varshini Polishetty. Yeah, all of you please try to respond. So if you look at this, it is plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. In other words, it's arithmetic progression also. So answer is 17. Perfect. Okay. So this is what your addition series. So try the next one now. 100, 95, 90, 85, 80. Okay. Obviously 75. Good to see that. Praneeth, Varshini, then Aisha, Ritika Reddy, Harish. Okay. Quick enough to answer it fast. So all of you can try it. Okay. So as soon as you see you are getting the answer means you can put it in the chat box. So this is minus 5, minus 5, minus 5 and answer is 75. So this is basically subtraction series. So addition series can be formed, subtraction series can be formed. Okay, arithmetic progression is addition series. Try this one now. What comes next? No, Aisha, maybe in a fast, yeah, because of speed, you have to put a number wrong. Okay, 1280, 1280, 1280, I could see. Okay, Ritika Reddy, Sai Varun, Praneeth, Varshini, Vaishnavi, I could see, okay, many of you answering 1280. Basically, it is into 4, into 4, into 4. Finally, you will get 1280. That is product series. Perfect, Harish. Okay, so that is geometric progression. And try this one. 400, 200, 150. Yeah, Sai Varun, Varshini, Aisha. I could see the answers. Harish. Perfect. Okay, basically divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2. My answer will be 25. Okay. So this is division series. So basically we have covered arithmetic series, say subtraction, multiplication, division. Try this one. Himanshu, please mute yourself. Okay, plus 4 minus 5 plus 6. So it should be minus 7 because series is 4, 5, 6, 7 natural numbers. Series is natural numbers which is 4, 5, 6, 7. But plus alternately it is plus minus like that. Yeah. So many of you got it 3 as the right answer. Harish, Ritika, Sai Varun, Praneeth, Varshini. I think some scrolling had happened. So Aisha, so let's take up the next question. So answer is 3. So it's a combination of addition and subtraction series. It's a combination of addition and subtraction series. You see now this one. Try this one. So many of the students, after giving the drive link for videos, they are not attending the classes. Okay, so earlier we used to have participants around 33, 34 participants. Now you see only 14 of, okay, so including me, it is only 14. That means they are now thinking that they can always access the videos. So this is the problem with the students, okay, sharing the videos. What do you all say? Why suddenly half the students are not attending the classes? More than half. 34, half is 17. Now we have only 15. So what should I do? Should I remove the link now? If I have to get back them to classes again, so I have to remove the link. Okay, so this is uh, division by 2 multiplied by 3, division by 2 multiplied by 3. So that is how you will get it. Okay, so alternately division, multiplication 2, 3. Okay, so that way you will get answer as 675. Okay, so others also can look at this. It is 300 divided by 2, 150. Again multiplied by 3, 450. Again divided by 2, 225. Multiplied by 3, 675. So this is a combination of product, multiplication and division series. A combination of multiplication and division series. Try this one. Try this one. 1, 9, 22, 41, 67. So if you are looking at the clues, okay, so first I'm taking the difference. It is 8 plus 13 plus 19 plus 26. So up to here, okay, so double addition. If I take one more time, now you see natural numbers are getting formed. 5, 6, 7. What should be the next one then? It should be 8. So what will be that? 8 plus 26 plus 67. That will be my answer. Yeah, plus 8, then 34. Answer is 101. Yeah, Pranit, you are right. Yeah, Vaishnavi, okay, there is one. Okay, so first you are taking the difference. So let me write it down. Okay, I'm just writing it down. I took the difference. Okay, so 8, then 9. Okay, the difference is 13. So again, the difference is 90. So again, one more time, I am taking the difference. The difference, this is again the difference between 13 and 8. Again, this is the difference between, okay, so 19 and 13. So hope you got it now. So this is the difference. So what should I get now? So 5, 6, 7. So my next number will be what? 8. Natural numbers. So now I am getting natural numbers. 5, 6, 7. So I'll put 8 and then add 8 plus 26. 8 plus 26 will be equal to 34. 34 plus 67 will be equal to 100. Okay, try this one. That is double addition. Okay, it is double addition. Okay, try this one. So you should be little careful. Try this one. Yeah. Okay, so let me see. So first, if you are taking the difference, if I take the difference, so I'm just taking the difference, it is coming to what? 50. And here, if I take the difference, it is coming to 30. And if I take the difference here, it is coming to 10. And please remember again, if I take the difference, it is coming. Okay, so here you should be careful now. 10, 0, and it will become minus 10 now. Okay, so that is how it will become. Okay, so you should be little careful. So the difference is 20, the difference is 25 to get the difference again. So after 10, it will be 0, difference is only 10. I have to go up to minus 10 to get the difference 20. So minus 50, so let me remove what I have written. So it is minus 50, minus 30, okay, minus 10, okay, 20, 20. If I have to have 20 difference there, it is plus 10. So what will be my answer? 250. Logical, okay. So most of the students will, okay, think why it is, okay, increasing. So normally, if you are looking at the series from 330, it came down to 280, it came down to 250, it came down to 240. They think that it should get reduced, but here it actually increases. Okay, so let's go forward now. Double addition and subtraction series. Try this one. So the difference is 40. The difference is 20. The difference is 0. So if I have to write the differences here, it is 40, it is 20, it is 0. So if I again write the difference, 40, 20, difference is 20, and this is 20. So if I have to get the difference, this should be minus 20. So then only I'll get 20 difference. So 40, 20 on a number scale, if you look at the number scale 0. Okay, so if you are writing positive this side, plus 20, that is 40, plus 60. So here you will write minus 20, here you will write minus 40, here you will write minus 60 on a number scale. Okay, so that way it will become what? Okay, so that is how you will be looking at this problem. Okay. Yeah, Harish, Ritika. It is number series, Manideep. Number series, addition series, subtraction series, product, division series, double addition, double subtraction, like that. Okay, double addition and double subtraction series. Try this one. 5, 11, 23, 47. What number will come next? Okay, let us. Yeah, Ritika Reddy also giving the answer. So into 2 plus 1, into 2 plus 1, into 2 plus 1, into 2 plus 1. So what will be your answer? Answer is 90. So it's a combination of product. Yeah, that also Manideep, you can try it. So difference is 6, difference is 12, difference is 24, difference will be, okay, it is getting doubled. It is getting basically doubled. So you have a 6 difference, you have a 12 difference. What is happening? It is getting doubled. Okay, you have a difference of 24. So obviously it will be 48. Okay, so more than one logic may be there. Sometimes you will get more than one logic. Same number multiplication and same number addition. Try this one. 4, 5, 7, 11. What comes next? Okay, so different ways again. The logic will be different ways. Yeah. Praneeth, Sai, Varun, you can apply different logic also. I can also apply this logic of taking the difference 1, taking the difference 2. Now it is 4. What is happening here? 1 became 2 into 2. 2 became 4 into 2. So 8. So it is 19. Different ways. Okay. So more than one way of using the logic. Try this one. 5, 11, 24, 51. So with little practice, your brain starts giving you more ideas. So practice is the key. Once you start practicing, you are now open to so many logics. So quickly, I might be thinking like 5 into 2 plus 1. Number into 2 plus 1. Again, number into 2, 22 plus 2. Whatever number I am getting, that is 24 into 248 plus 3. So number multiplied by 2. Basically, you are doubling the number. Basically, you are doubling the number, adding 1, then added 2, then added 3. Now you will add 4 into 2. That will become how much? So 102. You will add 4, 106. Yeah. So answer is 106. So basically, you started with some random number. Okay, so Wi-Fi means there is no answer Wi-Fi. But once I have a number, first number, the series is now getting generated like I double the number, add 1, I double the number, add 2, I double the number, add 3, like that. Okay, same number multiplication, addition in increasing order. Try this one. Yeah, Himanshu gave the answer. Others also please try. So if one logic is not working, you should try another logic. Consistent. Logic has to be consistent. Either the numbers increasing, numbers decreasing, numbers remaining same. Okay, so the logic has to be consistent basically. Yeah, Varshini, Sai, Varun. So basically it is into 3 minus 1, then into 3 minus 2, then into 3 minus 3, then into 3 minus 4. Consistent, no? Logic is consistent here. So basically whatever be the number, I'm okay making it 3 times, subtracting 1, next time subtracted 2, next time subtracted 3, and next time subtracted 4. But what is common? Multiplication by 3 is common. Same number multiplication, subtraction, and increasing order. Try this one. Yeah, Manideep, you are the first one to give the answer. Himanshu Chaudhary also gave the answer. Yeah. Hope everybody got the logic here. Into 2 plus 1, into 3 plus 1, into 4 plus 1. Next will be into 5 plus 1, which is 326. Good. Okay. Most of you are able to think and get the answer. Increasing order multiplication, but the number added is same. Okay. So try this one. Yeah. Yeah, Himanshu, I could see the answer. Manidhi, please check your answer. Into 1 first time, into 1 minus 3, next time it is into 2 minus 3, into 3 minus 3. Now it will become into 4. Yeah, Manidip, you are right. So first time into 1, second time into 2, into 3. What is constant is minus 3 is constant. What is constant is minus 3. So your answer is 1077. So number series, there is absolutely no formula to detect. Okay, so everything will not be same. Each and every question, some logic may be there. It could be addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, combination also. Combination of any of them. Try this one. 2 is there, 3 is there, 8 is there, 27 next. I think some of you are getting the logic. Complete answer, na? You people are saying into 4 plus 4. I think 4 4 4 indicates that you got the logic. Yeah. Into 1 plus 1, into 2 plus 2, into 3 plus 3. So into 4 plus 4, your answer is 1 1. Yeah, Sai Varun, Varshini, Harish. Okay, so basically into 1 plus 1, into 2 plus 2, into 3 plus 3, into 4 plus 4. Increasing order of multiplication and increasing order of addition also. Try this one. So you should get exposed to various logics. If you should get exposed to various logics. Once you get exposed, now, yeah, perfect. Aisha, Himanshu, Varshini, Sai Varun, Manidi, perfect. Okay, so into 1 minus 1, into 2 minus 2, into 3 minus 3, basically it is okay. So increasing order of multiplication and increasing order of subtraction. So various models are there. Try this one. Let me see who gets it fast. Yeah, Ritika Reddy got it fast. Sai Varun also got it nice. Okay, different logics will be there. So that focus, that concentration on numbers. So as soon as you see 49, yeah, Manideep, 49, 7 square, then 8 square, then 9 square, 10 square, then 11 square. Yeah, your answer is 11 square, which is 121. So you should have that as you look at the number, okay, different ideas should come to your mind. Square series. Try this one. Yeah, Manideep says 125 perfect. Ritika Reddy, Aisha, Varshini, Polishetty perfect. So basically this is cube series. Again, combinations can come. Squares plus some addition or squares minus, okay, or subtraction. Cubes and additions, cubes and subtractions, okay. Those combinations also you should be familiar. Try this one. Some clue you should get. When I look at 5 and 9, difference is 4, and 9 and 18, difference is 9. 4 is there, 9 is there. Next I am getting 16. 4, 9, 16. That is 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Next should be 5 square. 25. Okay, so 25 plus 34. 15. 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square are the differences now. So squares addition. Try this one. Yeah. Ritika Reddy, Himanshu Chaudhary. So it is minus 1 square, minus 3 square. Odd numbers, huh? 1, 3, 5. Next should be 7. So your answer is 166. Try this one. So the difference is 8. The difference is 27. Difference is 64. Yeah, you people got it. So it is basically in cubes now. 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. You should add. Answer is 229. Answer is 229. So it is in cubes. Try this one. So look at the differences. 2 cube, that is 8. Then I have a difference of 27. That means after 2 cube, it is 3 cube. Then the difference is 100 and, okay, so 125 is the difference. Yeah. So 2 cube, 3 cube, 5 cube, then 7 cube. So your answer is minus 253. Perfect. So Varshini, Sai Varun, then Manideep. Okay, so it will be in minus because you are going down. Series is going down. Okay, cube subtraction. Try this one. So it's a combination of squares and cubes now. One difference is 1, difference is 8, that is 2 cube. Natural numbers, but squares and cubes. Then you have 3 square, then you will have, okay, so 4 cube. 4 cube is 64. So answer is 97. So natural numbers 1, 2, 3 are natural numbers, but alternately it is square cube, square cube. Alternately it is square cube, squares and cubes addition. So 4, that is 2 square. And the difference here 27, that is 3 cube. Subtraction. So 2 square, 3 cube, 4 square, that is now 5 cube. 5 cube, 53 minus 125. Okay, so you get answer as minus 72. Answer as minus 72. Let me see who gets this fast. Yeah, superb. Nice, nice, very nice, very nice. Very nice. As you see the numbers, something is okay striking you that okay. So answer is 11 because it is what? Prime number series. Try this one. Digital operation of number series. Maybe first time you are listening to this or some of you might be familiar with this. What does it mean? Digital operation of numbers series. It is not straight subtraction or straight addition. So please note down if it is new to you. Basically, what I'm doing is 128, a digital operation, that is, I'm adding 1 plus 2 plus 8, which is equal to 11. So minus 11. 128 numbers are separated, addition, subtraction, I get the next number 117. Same thing you do it now. One more step if you want to see. 117. 1 plus 1 plus 7, which is 9, minus 117 minus 9 is 108. So same thing, 9. 9 here if I subtract, I get 99. So finally 99. 9 plus 9 is 18. If I subtract 18, 1 8. So that is how I'll get the answer. So you got the logic. So this is digital operation of number series. If you try to find out the differences, okay, it may not be in squares, it may not be in cubes, you may not form. So various logics you have to apply and check. If one logic fails, you should be ready with another logic. Try this. Zero factorial is 1. Then you have 1 factorial. Then you have 2 factorial. Then you have 3 factorial, that is 3 into 2. Then you have 4 factorial. Then you have 5 factorial. So what should be your answer? 6 factorial. Hope all of you got it. So starting with 0 factorial. So please, this is very, very important. Okay, don't ask me why 0 factorial is 1, why 1 factorial is also 1. Why 0 factorial is 1 and why 1 factorial is 1. Okay, so sometimes when you have to take, okay, 0 factorial as 0 factorial, if you assume that as 0, you can't go forward. When I get new denominator as 0 factorial, and if I assume 0 factorial as 0, I can't go forward. It becomes undefined. Especially when you write in the format NCR or NPR. NPR, NCR, in the denominator, it might end up in 0 factorial sometimes. So when 0 factorial is there, and if I say that 1 factorial, 1, 2 factorial, and 0 factorial is 0, I'll not be able to go forward. Okay, so 0 factorial is also treated as 1, 1 factorial is also 1. Digital, okay, Fibonacci series. So hope you all know what is Fibonacci series. Just adding the previous two numbers. You start with two numbers, any two numbers you can get started. Keep adding the previous two numbers. So 0, 1 is the starting. So if I add 0 plus 1, it became 1. Now 1 plus 1, it became 2. 2 plus 1, it became 3. 3 plus 2, it became 5. 5 plus 3, it became 8 plus 5 will be what? 13. So what is your answer? 13. So this is Fibonacci series. Okay, so more questions are there like this for you to solve. Okay, so let me share the entire sheet with you, entire
So will you
PPT.
share simplification chapter also? Yesterday I was unable to download it.
Okay, so I'm just sharing the PDF part.